If you're a local service business, there's a pairing that's so powerful it's almost unfair. And most foundation repair and waterproofing contractors aren't using it to its full potential. It's called the Local Trust Engine, and it's built on two Google tools working together. One is your Google Business Profile, GBP. This is the foundation. It's your verified business listing on Google, and it holds all the reviews, your service area, your hours, your photos, everything that tells a homeowner this company is real and local. Next is Local Service Ad, LSAs. These are sponsored listings at the top of Google. When someone searches for local services, they carry that little green Google Guaranteed badge, which is Google's way of saying, we vouch for these guys. Here's the magic. LSAs pull directly from your GBP, your star rating, your location, your photos, even your business hours. It flows straight into your ad. But here's what most people miss. The stronger your GBP, the better your LSA performs. And I've seen two foundation repair and waterproofing contractors in the same city running LSAs for the same service, same budget, and one got twice as many calls. And the difference? One had 15 reviews with a few blurry photos, and the other had 75 reviews with crisp project photos and all business info verified. You can't even run an LSA without even a verified Google business page. So your profile is incomplete, outdated, or has inconsistent info, you're already leaving money on the table before your ads even run. And when these two are optimized and working together, you create what I call a double trust layer. The LSA gets you seen first, and the GBP proves you're credible, local, and ready to help. Combine that with targeted search terms from the 90 plus commercial intent keyword toolkit, and you'll dominate the top page, both paid and organic, while your competitors fight for scraps down below. So can you see how being the first name they see and the one with the best reputation would make it almost impossible for a homeowner to choose anyone else?